Well, hello, and welcome to Story Time. This is the Preschool Story Time, and my name is Tana. I'm a librarian with the Jefferson County Public Library System. So I thought today we could read a book and maybe do some rhymes and sing a song. But first, before we do that, I want to introduce you to a very special friend of mine. My friend's name is Rosa.
Hi.
Hi, Rosa. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. I'd like to introduce you to my Storytime friends.
Hi, everybody. I'm Rosa. Nice to meet you.
All right. How have you been lately?
Good.
Have you been traveling?
I have. I went on a trip with my family this summer.
Where'd you go?
I think we went camping.
Camping?
Yeah.
Did you do anything fun while you were camping?
We went to the mountains and
Did you
we made s'mores.
I love s'mores.
Me too. S'mores are so good.
They're so yummy. Have you guys made s'mores? Have you ever gone camping? Camping's really fun. Yeah. Well, cool. I was going to do some storytime rhymes that are kind of about baking.
I love baking.
You do?
I love baking. Well, I love licking the spoon.
Oh. Well, what's your favorite kind of baked treat?
I really love cookies.
Cookies. I love cookies too.
I actually have some cookies with me. Do you want some?
You have cookies with you right now?
Yeah, I do.
Oh my gosh. I would love to have a cookie.
Let me get them.
Okay. Do you love cookies? Cookies are wonderful, aren't they? Oh, good. Well, how fun is this? Oh my gosh. Look
So
how
shiny.
beautiful. Rosa, this cookie looks like it might be, can you see it? What kind of cookie is that? What?
I think it looks a little bit like a pumpkin.
Pumpkin? Oh my gosh, she's right. Look how beautiful that pumpkin cookie is.
It's so shiny.
It is very shiny. Well, Rosa, that's wonderful. Can I eat this cookie? Is that okay? I'm so excited. I have something to look forward to. Well, boys and girls, can we go ahead and say, let's go ahead and read our story first. I was thinking I would read a story about brownies.
Brownies are pretty good too.
Do you love brownies?
I do like brownies. Do you like brownies?
Brownies are awesome.
So good.
All right, so this book is called If You Give a Mouse a Brownie, and it is by Laura Numeroff, and it's illustrated by Felicia Bond, and this book is a Balzer and Bray book, which is an imprint of HarperCollins. And HarperCollins is nice enough to let us read this book together today. Isn't that cool?
Wow, that's so nice.
I know, right? Thank you, HarperCollins. All right. So this book is about what happens if you give a mouse a cookie. Or a brownie, sorry. All right. If you give a mouse a brownie.
Those look pretty good.
He's going to ask for some ice cream to go with it. When you give him ice cream, he'll ask you for a spoon. That makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah. He'll start drumming on the table. Drumming will get him so excited, he'll want to start a band.
Oh, my sister's in a band.
Is she?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Does she play the drums?
She plays the guitar.
The guitar. Awesome. You'll have to play guitar.
Just like my sister.
Oh my gosh. Okay. He'll want to put on a show. So you'll have to build a stage. Then you'll need some spotlights and a microphone. When the stage is finished, it's a pretty fancy stage.
Very fancy.
He'll want to make lots of tickets. You'll have to find paper and markers. When the tickets are done, he'll decide to make posters as well. Oh my goodness. It's a lot of work having a band. Does your sister have to do a lot of work for her band?
Mostly they just make noise in the garage.
Oh, okay. He'll hang them all over the neighborhood. See, it says rock concert. When he's out hanging them, it might start to rain. He took off all his clothes. He'll fold some posters and make a little boat. Then he'll sail it in a puddle.
He's so creative.
He is. He'll get so wet, he'll start to sneeze. You'll have to put him in your pocket to stay nice and warm. When he peeks out of your pocket, he'll smell something delicious. The smell will remind him that he's hungry. You'll have to take him to the store and get him a few things to nibble on. Of course, he'll want to have a picnic. I mean,
Duh.
yeah. When the sun comes out, you'll have to take him to the park. While you're setting up the picnic, he'll see a playground. He'll jump on the swings. Do you like to swing? Do you like to swing? Yeah, me too. He'll go as high as he can. When he looks up at the sky, he might notice a big white cloud. Ooh. The cloud will remind him of ice cream. Uh-oh, do you see where this is going?
I think so.
Oh my gosh. He'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if you give him some ice cream, he'll want a brownie to go with it.
What a crazy mouse!
I mean, he could have just eaten the brownie and the ice cream.
I would have just eaten the brownie, I think.
I know.
But he had such a big day.
He
and
did.
it was so full of just like creative moments. That was so cool.
It was very cool.
It makes me want to do something creative. Can we do something creative?
Sure, what would you like to do?
Well, I can't play guitar, but I like to sing sometimes, and maybe we could sing a song or a rhyme or something.
Okay. Since we're talking about baking, maybe we could make up a rhyme about things we like to eat that are baked.
I love that idea.
Okay. I'll go first. If you like a cookie, then looky, looky, looky. Can you look if you like a cookie? A looky if you like a cookie? Am I doing this right?
I like a cookie.
I like a cookie too.
Okay, can I try?
Yeah.
Okay. If you like a cake, then do a shake, a shake. Do a shake.
Shake if you like cake.
Do you like cake? I love cake.
Yeah.
Oh,
All
that's
right.
so fun. What
That
else?
was
What else could
fun.
we do?
How about the brownie?
What rhymes with brownie though?
If you like a brownie, you can frowny, frowny. If you like a brownie, you can frowny, frowny.
It's funny because I love brownies and they make me smile.
That's true. They make me smile too. But sometimes when the brownies are all gone, then I get frowny.
That's true.
All right, your turn.
What else can you make? Maybe like, if you like pie, hold your hands up high, hands up high. If you like pie.
I like pie. My hands are up high.
What kind of pie do you like?
You know what? I love pumpkin pie. With whipped cream on it.
You know what that reminded me of?
What?
The pumpkin cookie.
I know, the pumpkin cookie.
I hope it tastes so good.
I can hardly wait.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do another one.
Okay. I'm gonna do buns.
Like cinnamon buns.
Like cinnamon buns. Or like all the buns. All the buns.
The buns.
If you like buns, then stick out your tongue.
I can't really do that, but...
All right, we can see your tongue now. That's good. Okay, see your tongue, guys? All right. If you like buns, then stick out your tongue.
Wow.
All right.
One more?
Yeah.
If you like bread, touch your head. Touch your head.
Yay!
Can we do them all now?
Yeah.
Okay, what do we start with?
All right. Let's start with cookies again.
Okay.
If you like cookies, take a looky, looky. If you like cake, do a shake, shake. Woo!
If
you like brownies, do a frowny, a frowny. If you like pie, hold your hands high, your hands high. If you like buns, stick your tongue out, out. If you like bread, touch your head, your head.
Yay! Oh, that was so fun!
Rosa, we just made up a song together.
Oh my gosh, we're like the mouse!
I know. We should have a band.
Can my sister be in it?
I don't know. Do you want her to be in it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yay! I'm gonna go tell her right now.
Awesome. All right, kids. Well, I think we have run out of time. So I just want to thank you again for joining us for our preschool story time. And I want to thank my special friend Rosa here for coming in and for the cookie and for the song. And you are so wonderful.
Thank you for having me. It was so nice to meet you.
All right, friends. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.